Hey everyone, want to connect your Dropbox files with Cloud AI? In this video, I'll show you how to link Dropbox to Cloud AI step by step. Yeah, connecting your storage makes it easier to access documents, upload files, and work with your content using AI tools. First, open your web browser and visit the Cloud AI website. Sign in to your account and go to the Settings, Integrations, or Connected Services section. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before starting the connection process. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for options like Integrations, Connected Apps, Storage, or File Connections. This is where you can manage external services connected to your Cloud AI account. Next, find Dropbox from the list of available services and click the Connect button. A Dropbox authorization window may appear asking you to sign in and allow Cloud AI to access your files. After signing into Dropbox, review the permissions and approve the connection by selecting Allow, Continue, or Authorize. These permissions allow Cloud AI to work with the files you choose to use. Once the connection is complete, return to Cloud AI and check the Connected Services section. Dropbox should now appear as an available storage option for your files. To use a Dropbox file, open the File Upload or Attachment feature in Cloud AI and select Dropbox as the source. Choose the file you want to access and wait for Cloud AI to process it. If Dropbox does not connect properly, check your internet connection, account permissions, and make sure you are using the correct Dropbox account. These simple checks can usually solve common connection problems, so that's how you connect Dropbox to Cloud AI. By linking your cloud storage, you can manage files more easily and use AI tools with your saved content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.